Welcome back. Here is a brief analysis on G Mains Examinations 2021, Phase 3, July 25th, Shift 1. This analysis includes the difficulty level of the question paper, expected cutoffs for various categories of students, and marks versus percentile analysis. Disclaimer here is that the analysis is strictly based on students' responses and their feedback. Mathematics questions are said to be lengthy. Though they are not difficult, they are said to be lengthy. Here, the total number of easy questions given are 10, moderate questions are 10 in number, and difficult questions are also 10 in number. As far as physics subject is concerned, the questions are said to be easy to moderate. Here, the total number of easy questions given are 13, moderate questions are 12 in number, whereas 5 difficult questions have been given. Chemistry is said to be easy to moderate. Most of the questions have come from NCERT books. Easy questions are 12 in number, moderate questions are 12 in number, and difficult questions are 6. This is an analysis on expected cutoff marks and percentiles for various categories of students. A general category student needs to get percentile between 88 and 91 for cutoff, and he needs to score marks between 90 and 95. OBC category student needs to get the percentile range between 81 and 83, and he needs to score the marks between 68 and 72. EWS category students should get the percentile between 76 and 80 and marks between 65 and 70. For an SC category students, the expected cutoff percentile should be between 60 and 65, and expected cutoff marks should be between 50 and 55. On the other hand, an ST category student needs to get the percentile between 40 and 44 and should get the marks range between 45 and 50. And here is marks versus percentile analysis. If a student scores the percentile between 99.90 and 99.99, he needs to get the marks between 220 and 290. If a student gets the percentile between 97 and 99, he needs to score the marks range between 140 and 220. For the percentile range between 95 and 97, one student needs to score the marks between 100 and 140. For the percentile range between 93 and 95, one needs to get the marks between 85 and 100. For the percentile range between 90 and 93, one needs to score the marks between 75 and 85. For a student who gets the percentile range between 86 and 90, he needs to score the marks between 60 and 75. And if one scores the percentile between 80 and 85, one needs to get the marks between 40 and 60. This is all about the brief analysis on G Mains Examinations Phase 3, July 25 and Shift 1. Stay glued to this channel for the analysis of all the upcoming shifts. Thanks for watching.